Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 141, which is linked list cycle. Given head, the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, POS is used to denote the index of the node and that tail's next pointer is connected to. Note that POS is not passed as a parameter. Return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. In example 1, this is our linked list and it has a cycle because -4 is connected to 2 and 2 is connected to 0. So 2 0 minus 4 has a cycle. So we should return true because there is cycle in the linked list where the tail connects to the first node, which is this one. In example 2, there are only two nodes, 1 and 2. We should return true because there is a cycle in the linked list where the tail connects to the 0th node. In example 3, there is only one node and we should return false because there is no cycle in the linked list. So to solve this problem, we can use a slow fast approach in which we will have two pointers. One is slow, other one is fast, and slow will move one pointer at a time, but fast will move uh, two pointers at a time. So let's have this. Let's have slow, which is equals to head. Let's have fast, which is equals to head dot next. It could be possible that there is only one node. So if okay, so let's have a loop while fast is not equals to null. We will move slow by one node. Slow is equals to slow dot next, and first we can check if fast is equals to node is equals to slow. If at any point of time we detect a cycle, then we should return true. Now fast will be fast equals to next. Okay, like this. Now if fast is not null, then we will again move to the next pointer. At the end, if there is no cycle detected, we will return false. Let's run the code. You see all the test cases are passed. Okay, submit the code. There is some error. Okay, we did not handle the empty. Suppose if there is no head, not head, we should return null. Okay, now let's submit the code. You see our solution is accepted, submission is successful, and the algorithm is working fine. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of n since we are using only one loop here. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.